Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you on how to fix Roblox not longer supports Windows with 32-bit devices, okay? So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to check what version or system type you have on your device. So to do that, just go ahead and open your File Explorer. Now you want to right-click on this PC section or option, click on Properties. And now here you should see what type of system type you have. As you can see, I have 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. So if you have the 32-bit operating system, the only way to fix this problem or error is to just go ahead and install a latest version with a 64-bit operating system. Okay, so to do that, you want to open your browser and search for any Windows that you want. So for example, Windows 10. Now you want to just go ahead and download this. And once you download right here, once you download Windows 10, there's a tab that will pop up and you need to choose which version you want. Okay, so you need to make sure that you choose the option with x64 because that means 64-bit operating system. Because if you choose the x84, that means it only have a 32-bit operating system. Okay, so now when you download your new Windows 10, you can now just go ahead and try again on playing Roblox. Okay, and that should fix your problem. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.